Now see, next question is depend on a plus b whole cube. Here, write the following cubes in the expanded form. Means a plus b whole cube, that you know, a cube plus 3 ab, a plus b, and then b cube, or you can write here a cube plus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square plus b cube. Clear? Now see here, 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, means a equal to 2x and b equal to 1. So write here a cube first, then 3 a square b, okay, plus 3 ab square and b cube. So just fill up the bracket, 2x a cube plus 3 a square b, okay, 3 a square b, then ab square and then b cube. Very simple. Now solve 2x whole cube means 8x cube plus 2 square 4 and 4 3 are 12x because it is 1. And now here simply 2 3 are 6x and plus 1 is your answer. So it can be written as 2x plus 1 whole cube, 8x cube plus 12x square and plus 6x plus 1. Now you try for the second and third. Now we are taking here fourth one, x minus 2 upon 3 y whole cube. Okay, so it is depend on, you know, a minus b whole cube. So you know a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3ab, a minus b, and then b cube, or you can write here a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square minus b cube, right? So this one your a and it is b. So write in the expand form, a cube minus 3 a square b, okay, plus 3 ab square and then b cube. So clear? Simply just make the bracket and write the format, a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square, here the square, and then b cube. So you know x cube, a cube minus 3 a square b, again x, then what is your b? Minus 2 upon 3 y. So we will write here 2 upon 3 y, 2 upon 3 y as a b, okay. Again a, x, 2 upon 3 y and 2 upon 3 y. Just fill up the bracket, a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3 ab square and minus b cube. Now simplify it and you will get the answer, x cube minus, you know, 3 is gone, okay. So what it becomes? 2x square y, here that's the square, and here 3x, 2 square 4 and 3 square 9 y square minus 2 cube 8 and 3 cube 27 y cube, x cube minus 2 x square y plus here what is remaining? 4 upon 3. So 4 upon 3 x y square minus 8 by 27 y cube will be our expand form of the question, x minus 4 upon 3 y whole cube. Clear? Now factorize. Okay, so first you identify the identity. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. What is written here? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b equal to, you know, a plus b whole cube. So just to write in the format of identity, means 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So 8a cube, we will write here 2a whole cube. Okay, a cube, right? Then b, simply only b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b. A means 2a, okay, and b, and here 2a plus b. It will become automatically 6a square b. 2 3 are 6, 6 are 12a square b, and here 6ab square. So it becomes 2a plus b whole cube. So just write 3 times 2a plus b, right? 2a plus b and 2a plus b, because we are find the factorization. So write 3 times. These are 3 factors of this given question. Now see the a minus b whole cube. Here a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b and 3ab square. Just we write in the format of identity. So 27 is the cube of 3. So we write here 3p whole cube, a cube. Clear? Then b, 216 cube of 6, b cube. So a cube, b cube minus 3. Just write the bracket a minus b and a. That's all. Okay. Now fill up the bracket. So first a b means 3p and 1 by 6, isn't it? Then 3p and minus 1 by 6. Clear? When we simplify here, we will get both the things. 9 by 2, 10, 6, 3 to 9. Okay, we can cut it and simply we get 9 by 2 p square and 1 by 4 p. So it gives to you 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube, and simply write 3 times 3p minus 1 by 6. Okay, then 3p minus 1 by 6 and 3p minus 1 by 6. So this depend on your identity and we can find the factorize.